Welcome to our Excel trainings. Let's make a nice application with the checkboxes we started using in Microsoft Excel 365 versions. We have group ABC groups in our table. Let's make an application about how we paint the entire row when we approve all three groups. First, after editing the table, we select the data. After selecting the range, we add our checkboxes by saying checkbox from Insert. When you click on the checkboxes we started using in Excel 365 versions, you can now approve or remove their approval as you see in this way. When we click on the cell here, a true-false option comes up. Look, if it is not checked, it comes as false. If it is checked, it comes as true. Now the purpose we want to do is to paint this row completely when we mark all three values here. We will use conditional formatting to do this. For this, we select the table as wide as follows. The selection is important here. I start from A3 and select the table down to the right, and conditional formatting from the input menu. From here I open the new rule window by saying new rule. From here we come to the formula use window and write equals, and when all three of the data are checked, we write, and after putting a $sign, our first cell is F3. Semicolon, our other cell is again $G3, again semicolon dollar together with H3. We write it as an interesting usage. F3, G3, and H3 have dollar at the beginning. When these are provided, it returns true. When all three of these are checked, let's select the format from here, and let's select a color from our fill options here. Let's say OK. When we say OK again, when all three are marked, the line will be marked automatically. When you remove any of them, the mark will be removed. When you do this, we mark it like this. If you need to see the formula here, equals. I wrote V. After writing this, the place where my first cell is dollars is F3. I wrote F3. I put a semicolon, again $G3 semicolon, again $H3. We wrote this in the new rule window of the formula. When all three expressions are true, the condition is met. Since we put the V condition, when the condition is met, as you can see, in the option here, it automatically paints them directly. In this way, we can color the data. Thanks to the checkboxes we started using in 365, such operations can now be done very easily in Excel. See you again in the next tutorial video. Goodbye.